Today we're doing an open house event for our students. Every dealership, or every major manufacturer, one of the requirements of their dealership is to do service clinics for the customers or customer appreciation in some way, shape, or form. And my time in the industry, a lot of that fell upon the technicians to organize a shop, set up booths, do an interaction with the customers in some way, shape, or form. And it's not our forte. It's not what we're normally doing. We're working on machinery like this. So that's our customer, but it's the person who owns it that we now have to talk to, and it's not a comfort zone. So I put this project together a number of years ago, and we do it every year as a way to get students to talk about what they know and how to portray that to a customer.
All the fancy toys are amazing that Pete worked so hard to get us that we can learn on, so we're up to date with all of the brand new equipment that's out there these days.
It is really neat seeing all the new equipment, but personally I actually enjoyed the engines part. I love the idea of learning more about an engine because you don't believe how much goes into just an engine itself.